Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create a Canva talking avatar. So there's so many cool tools and apps you can use within Canva now, all for the same price. You don't have to pay anything extra. And I'm going to show you how to create a Canva talking avatar today. Give the video a like and subscribe if you find it helpful. So from your Canva home screen, we're going to click on the create button and I'm just going to search for avatar. Okay, it gives you different options for avatar, Discord avatar, logo avatar. I'm just going to choose the basic avatar screen. So from there, we're going to scroll down and in the bottom left, you have an apps tab. So I'm going to click on that and I'm going to search for the DID avatar app. So when that loads, I'm going to click on the first one, which is DID AI avatars. So I'm going to click to open that. So if this is the first time you've used it, you'll be asked to log in. I've already done that. But all you have to do is click to log in, connect your Canva account, and then you can use it. So once you're logged in, you can choose from different avatars at the top, or you can upload your own. So I'm just going to choose one from what they have available for the tutorial today. So you can see there's different men, there's women, and they're wearing sort of like different types of clothes, and you can change the background colors. So I'm just going to choose this lady, click on her and click on use avatar. Then I'm going to paste in a script. So I've got a script here that I made with ChatGPT, just introducing my new social media marketing business. So I'm going to come back into Canva, paste that script in. Then you can choose from different voices. So there's Ava, who's English, Tony, who's friendly, Sarah, mature and reassuring. So I'm just going to choose Ava. Then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on generate presenter. Of course, you can preview speech if you want, just to see if the voice is sounding what you want. And then you just have to give it a few seconds for the presenter to be generated. Now we have our avatar on the screen, so I can go ahead and move it around. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so it fits the screen. And you can see she's successfully been generated. So let's have a listen to see what she sounds like.
Hey, everyone. I'm excited to introduce my social media marketing business, where creativity meets strategy. I help brands grow their online presence, connect with the right audience, and turn followers into loyal customers. Whether it's content creation, account management, or targeted campaigns, I focus on results that actually matter. If you're ready to level up your social media game, let's connect. DM me to get started.
So that's not that bad. So obviously if I was going to use this for real, I'd go ahead and edit the backgrounds and maybe edit the voice a little bit as it sounded a little bit robotic. But you can have a play around and edit it to your liking. So that's it for today. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.